So my friend's daughter is having a 6-month photo shoot and I decided to bake her a 6-month birthday cake. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Live with Kimo, and on this channel I share a lot of baking recipe, food recipe, mom lifestyle, how I balance my business, my day-to-day activities. You have a lot of amazing content to watch on this channel, so make sure you stick around. So without wasting much of our time, I just want to show you guys my ingredients that I'll be using for this cake. I already have them prepared here, so I'll be showing you guys now. Our cake, I have my all-purpose flour, I have my corn flour, I have baking powder, sugar, egg, vanilla flavor, butter, vegetable oil, and I have my milk. I'm going to get my mixer so that we'll mix the butter, sugar, and the oil all together. See you soon. So I've added the vegetable oil and the sugar, and I'll just allow that to mix. So I've allowed the butter, sugar, and oil to mix together for about 2 minutes. So I'm going to be adding the egg bit by bit.